Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TVGH. So what friend me Adjoa searching. Every time for Mr. Also subscribe and Mr. No subscribe me and notification bell also for more news.
Mesi me hu sa post we na ya mesere. Enam se ne Sammy Gyamfi na de odi ahunahuna. Si obi ka se mfa no ho a ode ne be court. Me hu ye na ya mesere. MC Sammy Gyamfi wura fi wo ho. Se wo be kai a ukọ Chama General program so Chama General Kwame Sifa kan program so. E ma ne ka se bi kire wo. MC wura fi amame nka hu mienti asema Chama General ka kire no.
Up there,
Sa apumbo kode.
media me hoye. But wa mani ha.
Gano nkomo ya na di adu.
Sa. Mimi nyanka woni dem ha.
Oh, David Jawa menkasa.
Many bresem.
Menkasa.
David. Minyaya anka you are not on the show.
Menkasa.
David, ampa asempa na meka cho. Intia hawa anka free so.
David Jawa.
Ampa
Chama kukufu ne
untimi nko jina baby enko twantro fa me ho.
Oh, David.
Enni matem.
Chama na nkomo wo di abaha.
You think I'm joking?
Chama wo enye piece of fed.
David, now I say media grow.
Nkomo weche.
David. Somebody if you mean near grocer. You impugn my integrity. You call me names. You put it on social media. Uko radio soka. Now we communicate as the men. You who say we are wrong, you didn't have the courtesy so you go back and correct it. And you get up and sit on my show with Maminka.
Chaman.
Maminka say because me honestly, I'm not happy you're here.
Sawuti asema yewura Kwame Sifa kan Chama General e ka kire Sammy Gyamfi. Sa asem no ka kire no na emu odu. Me say so fa akosua e na de kwahwe ho kanche kura enke enya ne sei. So fa akosua na de hwe ho kanche ya ke enya ne sei. Utina kroma gu ne ho fi. Abra na ensem a wo ka nyina wankasa unim diem sa asem a wo ka na nya no kore. Eso na wo ka sai ni din. Enam se NDC mufu so jese no so omunim nyansa no omunim akenkan a mu atum future gu omun no mu so mu no so de na no mu sei ni din. Yenti koma na be ka say hapte ye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de a. Kanya ma mufu so jese nyina so mu kanya say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia di okroma. Say hapte e ye ne dia. Ebe wi ase no a munya atumi ni wie no a mu se hapte ne nya ne dia wa se ni dia wie ene dia wo pese wo protect woodin meboa wo pese wo protect woodin eti wo di ehunuhuna so obi be kan ho asem a wo de ne be court wa dwe wo nya dwuma me say court wo man ga na ma munya eno so 24-hour court because mu be bie na mu miensa wo mu so mu because and someone ye be kan krom ha no muntimi nkonteni won se mo wi ni power e se nka mutimi e mu feel comfortable because of nsem hunu ne nsem tantan a mo kan no man mu hanti no won se mo feel comfortable because ye ko fasem ne ba na fe abomobo na mu hu de mo ye because nsem 2024 aba mo kan krom ha no minia me da se oba no ahia ma anu aso TV
Nyemom yanko tena trotro mu 2 AM na ma me okwan ayi mi ko yiska opon global ayi branch SIC yo yankwe na NDC fo akronfo no so omo no omudwuma omudi ano omo ya akronfo enti no debi omo babia omo foster environment akronfo betumi awi ade mo omo apenso na de kwase baaye ye kwase nipa mebo a fa bag bra fa phone bra ne omo atwa blade ma fo bo blade samokai omo ye abayfo akronfo ntino they always create avenue for people to steal because I'm robbery ni thievery na person kosura. How the hell are you telling citizens to bank at 2 AM physical banking? Sabe Silicon Valley kura omo ya banking eyi Hollywood ya omo kura womunda Hollywood ono kura no ye banking 24 hours but ye ton san kwasi ade we de magane ni a osi o ye PhD holder Na yenya Martin Kpebu, Professor Ayi, aggressive kisser. Me do ya me feel anomana pai. Jampo. Waya no ho agidiri sabe akekadura ya se ne bottom. Ya ton ye nyansa na ye kosua ye na ye de kire nkwada de no. Yes politics inti ya to anu agu abonten. It's a good policy pa. Oh, 24 oh, it's good. You know President Mahama want the youth to work. President Mahama will what about TV3 now say to you know Alfred you know, let me make this point clear. You know, as a country, you know, the youth must work. And President Mahama, you know, as you can see, everything here is one. Your demonstration, nipa 10 point to me, Martin Kpebu, your demonstration, nipa 10 point to me, and Casa Papa, we, Nanimu, Nyam, sentiment, coding, Netinian, Koyazay, your own fan demonstration. Martin Kpebu, kwa demonstration, or yet, the Ghana, ye chatra more, boys, and say, pet. Ye chalombo sachet, ye see pet, because I am crasism na papa nekan. Ye jari manibe jina, oh, the police are here. People come outside. Nobody will do you anything. Please come and demonstrate with me. We have to sack Baumia and Nanado. Because that time, no, the Obia person Tianisa Baumia and Nanado. No, ye, beba. Martin Kpebu kwasi assembly nyansa woninti. Or commander squad yamba. Obi said the voice of Martin. I didn't. And yes, I know, Casa. Meboa. Nansaya, excuse the one who I bet you. And yes, I know, I bet Casa. Alfred, you know, I don't want you people to think it's because it is me. But what you must know is that this OSP, he's not working with the law. You see, this OSP, he's who else in a boy. Emi a wone de Martin Kpebu kam si wo dwan a sebe ye de aba no. But what's your position? Fire. 24-hour economy did not feature in their first budget. Some okay. Me catch them say, hey, so we are Ghana ni minia. Now we say NDC, hey, I buy your best as Ghana. Okay, and your party, so obviously you are going to protect your party and speak good about your party. But no on my record there, you bini. NDC record there, you bini. The number one thing now, on the year, the me kena Lamisi, Lamisi, ayana koko peme. Eko jinaho. You see, our friends from the MPP, they don't know anything. From today, if anybody come to you and asks you what the 24-hour economy is, tell them it is a simple formula. 133. Sana ope presidential staff ekudi. Ame yedino. Because how do you renya denya ubi a nuclear soldier ni bibedu or the nipe beba bekandia. Inti Ghana youth a ukotie Lamisi no. Don't say ne Lamisi she Jubilee House. You see a chepad kura ya maybe. Ye chepad kekepo ya maybe. Mama Ghana yemobo. I remember when we were talking about the 24-hour economy, the Charlie any sensible, any juma, oh, ebe juma, yo yat. Yeah, wo and a president go read the State of the Nation's Address 2025. Abena no kai or say anything. Or no na press conference, no catch the Ghana for say. Sa container no mochi, you know. Abede di say dollars ni fake, meboa. And a gold no su fake. Na see this lady and I correct. Ebio or say they burn it. Munkai. Muntakaka said they burn it. And the Muntaka Betsna committee and Nimuno. One ka burn in Asemu. Gold now no say omunim say ye fake na fed you see o mama dem ma omo dealing in gold cash no so kese nwunwunan na sa niema we ni na ahye ho etete aban ne government appointees ne government officials bonen ne krono a omo bo men de bia me ka kire mo say what say ndis ne say kronfo obo e ono a bono pan e ono a Bonaparte, because this is Muntaka at the committee, and Muntaka telling us say gold no any with dollars no were fake, so they had to bend them. And then they also there be one of them are some agencies be. Ye beside say gold no, and that's say real, and I say you fake. Or see you, we don't know. For that one, it is the mineral people. But your first press conference, you had told us the gold were fake. So are you another Jinapo? 13,000 containers, 1,300, the Korea trial, we found them in Tiebini. You told us those gold and the dollars were fake and that machine. Now you are under oath with the Quran on the committee. It's no longer camera friendly no more. Whatever you say is being recorded and documented. So the same person who was bold enough to tell Ghanaians to say, almost $1, no, almost share no, almost no, any gold na you fake no, and then they also there be any sanity. Muntaka. After that, I'll open the floor for more Munkasa and also to also weigh in on what is happening. I think I'll save the rest of them.